Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you, the Celestron NexStar 8SE 8-inch telescope, paired with the NexYZ DX smartphone adapter kit. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Celestron NexStar 8SE is a computerized telescope that boasts a legendary orange tube design, combining updated technology with user-friendly features. This telescope is perfect for both beginners and seasoned astronomers who are eager to explore the night sky. One of the standout features of the NexStar 8SE is its impressive 8-inch aperture. This Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope offers exceptional light-gathering capabilities, allowing you to delve into the wonders of our solar system. Whether you're observing the craters on the Moon, the rings of Saturn, or distant galaxies, the 8-inch primary mirror ensures that you'll have a clear and bright view. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to transport, so you can take your stargazing adventures wherever you go. Another significant feature is the fully automated go-to-mount, which houses a database of over 40,000 celestial objects. This means that, with just a few taps, the telescope automatically locates and tracks the objects you want to observe, taking the hassle out of manual searching. This is especially beneficial for newcomers who might find the vastness of space intimidating. Now, let's talk about the NexYZ DX smartphone adapter. This kit is a fantastic introduction to astroimaging and digiscoping. It includes the popular NexYZ smartphone adapter and a Bluetooth shutter release remote, making it easy to capture stunning images and videos of celestial objects. The NexYZ adapter is compatible with eyepieces ranging from 35mm to 60mm, fitting a variety of telescopes, spotting scopes, and binoculars. What's great about the NexYZ DX kit is its compatibility with a wide range of smartphones, including larger devices like the iPhone 8 Plus and the latest Samsung Galaxy models. The adjustable platform allows you to secure your smartphone, often without having to remove the protective case. Thanks to its robust metal spring and threaded twist lock, you can rest assured that your device will